Welcome to Management Made Simple. Hi, I'm Anthony Francis, and today I'm going to talk about what exactly is good leadership. You see, in today's world, the term leadership is often thrown around in discussions about business, politics, and even personal development. Everyone seems to agree on its importance, but what exactly is good leadership? And how can you determine whether someone is a good leader or not? Now, to truly understand leadership, we must first define what it is, dispel common misconceptions, and explore why good leadership is fundamentally about how you manage individuals and teams. So, leadership at its core is the ability to influence, guide others towards achieving a common goal. So, a good leader doesn't just direct, they inspire, they motivate, and they create a vision that others are eager to follow. You see, leadership involves setting clear objectives, providing the necessary resources, and fostering an environment where team members feel valued, supported, and empowered to perform at their best. Now, the hallmark of a good leadership is adaptability. You see, great leaders recognize that every individual and situation is unique, and they adjust their approach accordingly. Whether it's offering guidance, delegating tasks, or stepping back to allow others to shine, effective leaders are those who can assess the needs of their team and respond in a way that drives success. What leadership isn't is often confused with management, authority, or being in a position of power. However, simply holding a title doesn't make somebody a leader. True leadership isn't about commanding or controlling. It's about earning trust and respect through actions and behaviours. You see, good leadership also isn't about being perfect or always having the right answers. In fact, leaders who admit their mistakes, who seek feedback and show vulnerability often build stronger, more cohesive teams. Leadership isn't about ego, it's about service. It's about putting the needs of your team and the organisation above your own. Good leadership is about managing individuals and teams. In essence, it's fundamentally about managing people. It's about understanding the unique strengths, weaknesses, and motivations of each individual of your team and leveraging these to achieve collective success. Leaders who take the time to know their team members on a personal level can better align individual goals with organisational objectives, creating a sense of purpose and engagement. You see, managing a team effectively also means fostering a positive and inclusive culture. Leaders who can encourage collaboration and can recognise achievements and provide constructive feedback create an environment where innovation and productivity can thrive. This approach not only boosts morale, but also leads to better decision making and problem solving as diverse perspectives are valued and integrated. Moreover, good leaders are those who are committed to the development of their team members. They invest in training, mentorship, and opportunities for growth, thereby ensuring that their team continuously is improving and evolving. This investment in people not only enhances individual performances, but also contributes to the long-term success of the organisation. So, what can you take from all of this? Well, good leadership is not about titles or power. It's about influence, adaptability, and a genuine commitment to people that you lead. It's the ability to inspire and guide individuals and teams towards a shared vision while managing the complexities of human dynamics with empathy and insight. In essence, good leadership is about creating a positive impact on those around you, enabling them to achieve more than they thought possible. Whether you're leading a small team or an entire organisation, success hinges on your ability to manage people effectively, cultivate trust, and foster a collaborative environment where everyone can thrive. That's what leadership is all about. Look out for my next video by liking and subscribing, and I'll see you then.